Hello guys, good evening. This is GK from your weekly investment channel. Today is 23rd of Feb. Markets are closed now. The fourth quarter GDP was, did not look good, right? But markets kind of digested it. It went down. The whole session was trading down and finally closed up, right? So let's look at the market action right now. This is what happened, guys. This is a daily chart. It's a 1-year daily chart, right? I'm just going to look at specifically what happened today. It's intraday. I'm going to look at it. So if you look at the intraday action, it opened up around 9:30, right? 9:30. It was still here, right? That is slightly around slightly higher than yesterday's close. Yesterday's close was here. Definitely, markets kind of had a overnight session. Kind of going up here like this, right? That moment we had this GDP number. The market just had a little bit of a correction here, right? And then it kind of had a swing till like noon, right? It went down to the lows, lower than previous days, right? I think it's lower than previous days. That means net it went down lower than prior days low. See this? I'm going to zoom in here. So this is the one I'm talking about. The lowest is 396. The last time it was 396 is sometime here, earlier this year, right? And then lowest even before that, right? Yeah, the markets went down pretty much lower, and it kind of bounced like really hard, right? So I think it is just that the sellers are getting tired, and the markets lifted up, right? I'm not seeing any other positive news, but markets are good, especially NVDIA is the top performing one, so it definitely had an impact on the markets. Yeah, let's look at a few of the markets. Equities. NVIDIA is one of them. It's positive. The SOX index is definitely positive. SMH definitely positive, right? Because of the action here. QQQ is positive. Gold. Gold is down a little bit, but crude oil is positive, right? It's probably, how about UNG? Natural gas is up about 5% or so, right? Yeah, I think it's like 40-50 cents. It's up, so not much. Net, I think the markets are kind of looking tired of selling, so I still have a feeling that the selling is not done yet. Looking at SPY and the location SPY is, if you look at it, it's definitely bounced off the 200-day moving is 391. You have the 50-day is 395, right? Definitely it has bounced off. Hope that is the case. But we'll know more tomorrow, guys. Thank you for tuning in, and talk to you guys again tomorrow. Until then, stay tuned, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again. Cheers.